What if I told you that just a few minutes of daily practice is all you need to transform your English? Not hours, not expensive courses, just consistent daily practice. Let me prove it to you. In the next minutes, you're going to practice real English with me. And by the end, you'll understand exactly why short daily practice beats long weekly study sessions. Plus, I'll share a simple formula that makes your practice twice as effective. Don't skip ahead. Stay with me. Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English podcast. I'm James, and I'm here to walk with you on your English journey. This podcast is designed for learners who want real progress without spending hours every day. We focus on practical techniques that actually work. Every episode, we practice together using proven methods like shadowing. Before we start, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Here's the problem most learners face. They think they need hours to study. They wait for the perfect moment. They say, I'll start on Monday, and then they never start. I was the same way. I thought I needed hours every day to make progress, but I was wrong. The secret isn't more time. It's consistent time. Let me explain why short daily practice works. Your brain learns through repetition, not through long, exhausting sessions. When you practice a little bit every day, your brain builds strong connections. It's like going to the gym. Daily short workouts beat one long workout once a week. The same is true for English. So here's what we're going to do today. Focused practice, shadowing, real sentences, your voice. And by the end, you'll have practiced greetings, everyday phrases, questions, and a complete conversation. Ready to start? Let's go. Let's start with the basics. Sentences you'll use every single day. Listen, then repeat out loud. Good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. Perfect. Good morning. Good afternoon. Your turn. Good afternoon. Great. Good afternoon. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. Excellent. Good evening. Hi. How are you? Now you? Hi. How are you? Good. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Say it. I'm fine. Thank you. Perfect. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Repeat after me. And you. Great. And you? I'm doing great. Your turn. I'm doing great. Good. I'm doing great. Nice to see you. Say it. Nice to see you. Excellent. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. Repeat. Nice to see you too. Perfect. Nice to see you too. How's it going? Now you? How's it going? Great. How's it going? Not bad. How about you? Stay with me. Not bad. How about you? Good. Not bad. How about you? Pretty good, thanks. Your turn. Pretty good, thanks. Excellent. Pretty good, thanks. Great. You just practiced 12 different greetings, 12 sentences. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Most people scroll social media instead of practicing. You're investing in yourself. That's the difference. Let's continue. Now, phrases you'll use in real life. Repeat each one out loud. I don't understand. Say it. I don't understand. Good. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Repeat after me. Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. Can you repeat that, please? How do you say this in English? Your turn. How do you say this in English? Great. How do you say this in English? What does this mean? Say it. What does this mean? Good. What does this mean? I'm sorry I didn't hear you. Repeat. I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. Excellent. I'm sorry I didn't hear you. Could you speak slower, please? Now you. Could you speak slower, please? Perfect. Could you speak slower, please? Just a moment, please. Say it. Just a moment, please. Good. Just a moment, please. I think so. Repeat after me. I think so. Great. I think so. I'm not sure. Your turn. I'm not sure. Good. I'm not sure. That's a good question. Say it. That's a good question. Perfect. That's a good question. Let me think. Repeat. Let me think. Excellent. Let me think. I agree. Now you. I agree. Good. I agree. I disagree. Say it. I disagree. Great. I disagree. That makes sense. Repeat after me. That makes sense. Perfect. That makes sense. I see what you mean. Your turn. I see what you mean. Excellent. I see what you mean. These phrases will save you in real conversations. When you don't understand something, you now know what to say. 27 sentences practiced so far. Think about this. When you started this video, maybe you were unsure, and now you've practiced dozens of sentences. In a real conversation, you'd be able to greet someone, ask questions, and understand common phrases. That's real progress. Let's finish strong. The next part is powerful. Questions. Because conversations aren't just about answering, they're about asking. This will change how you interact in English. Let's practice questions. What's your name? Say it with me. What's your name? Good. What's your name? Where are you from? Repeat after me. Where are you from? Perfect. Where are you from? What do you do? Your turn. What do you do? Great. What do you do? Do you like your job? Say it. Do you like your job? Good. Do you like your job? Where do you live? Repeat. Where do you live? Excellent. Where do you live? Do you have any hobbies? Now you. Do you have any hobbies? Perfect. Do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do for fun? Say it. What do you like to do for fun? Good. What do you like to do for fun? Have you been here before? Repeat after me. Have you been here before? Great. Have you been here before? What time is it? Your turn. What time is it? Good. What time is it?
How long have you been studying English? Say it. How long have you been studying English? Perfect. How long have you been studying English? What are you doing this weekend? Repeat. What are you doing this weekend? Excellent. What are you doing this weekend? Can I ask you something? Now you. Can I ask you something? Great. Can I ask you something? Now you can keep any conversation going. Questions are power. Use them. 39 sentences practiced. Almost there. Let's finish with a complete conversation. Let's put it all together. A complete conversation. Repeat both parts.
Hi, how are you? Say it. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? Repeat. I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm great. What's your name? Your turn. I'm great. What's your name? My name is ... And yours? Say it. My name is ... And yours? I'm James. Nice to meet you. Repeat. I'm James. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Say it. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. And you? Repeat. I'm from Brazil. And you? I'm from the United States. Your turn. I'm from the United States. That's cool. What do you do? Say it. That's cool. What do you do? I'm a teacher. How about you? Repeat. I'm a teacher. How about you? I work in an office. Now you. I work in an office. Do you like your job? Say it. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. It's interesting. Repeat. Yes, I do. It's interesting. That's great. Do you have any hobbies? Your turn. That's great. Do you have any hobbies? I like reading and watching movies. Say it. I like reading and watching movies. Me too. What kind of movies? Repeat. Me too. What kind of movies? I like comedies and dramas. Now you. I like comedies and dramas. Nice. Well, it was great talking to you. Say it. Nice. Well, it was great talking to you. You too. See you later. Repeat. You too. See you later. Bye. Your turn. Bye. Bye. Say it. Bye. You just had a complete conversation in English out loud, and you're ready for real life. Look at what you just did. Greetings, everyday phrases, questions, one complete conversation, over 50 sentences, and you did it with your voice, not just your eyes, not just your ears, your mouth. That's the difference between studying English and actually learning to speak. Now, here's the formula I promised. To make your daily practice twice as effective, follow this structure. First part, listen to English, a podcast, a video, anything. Second part, shadow what you hear. Repeat out loud. Third part, speak really. Describe your day, talk to yourself. Listen, shadow, speak.
every day. Do this for 30 days, and you'll be amazed at the results. I promise you. This formula works because it trains 3 skills. Listening trains your ear. Shadowing trains your mouth. Speaking freely trains your brain. All 3 together create fluency, not just understanding, not just reading, but actual speaking, the ability to communicate, the ability to express yourself. That's what daily practice can do. If you practiced with me until the end, comment daily practice below. I want to see who's committed. And tell me, how long have you been studying English? Write it in English. I've been studying for 1 year. I've been studying for 6 months. Practice writing it. If this helped you, hit the like button. Share it with a friend who's learning too. Subscribe for more practice sessions just like this one. Next episode, 50 essential travel phrases. Perfect if you're planning a trip. We'll cover the airport, the hotel, restaurants, and emergencies. Everything you need to feel confident traveling anywhere in the world. You don't want to miss it. I'm James from Talk Easy English Podcast. Talk easy, grow strong. See you next time.